Welcome to this course on cartoon background design. My name is Martin, and I'm so excited to share everything I know about a topic that is not commonly talked about: kit bashing backgrounds. Kit bashing involves using pre-made assets to build an illustration from the ground up. My goal is that by the end of this course, you are able to kit bash something of the level of what you're seeing right now, even if you're a complete beginner who can draw. And that's the thing. This course is ideal for complete beginners who want to get started in the world of illustration and, more specifically, background design, but who feel like the main barrier is that they can draw. There are two reasons. The first one is that we are gonna draw everything with a keyboard and mouse. You won't need any expensive tablets at all. We're gonna use the fantastic free vector illustration program Inkscape. And this type of program allows us to draw everything using a normal, everyday keyboard and mouse. I've included a full mini course that will teach you not only everything you need to know to use Inkscape, but also the principles behind vector illustration in general. And the second reason is that we're going to illustrate by kit bashing our backgrounds. We're going to use a fairly beefy list of pre-made assets that I will provide, and we will assemble this background that you're seeing now, while learning all the fundamentals and theory that you need in a very concise and practical way, and all without you ever having to grab a pencil. Now, if you could only use the assets that I provided, then you will be quite limited, no matter the quantity or flexibility of them. So I've also included a few lessons on how to expand and even create your own asset packs. I want you to learn as much as possible from this course, so if you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me through the course page, and I'll respond as quickly as possible. I'm incredibly excited to get started, and I hope you are too. Let's dive in and have some fun.